So hi everybody, I am Val Quinn from GadgetGuy.com.au. Been a technology journalist for over 25 years. So in my hands I have Samsung's new Z series, so Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. This is the sort of smaller, more compact version of Samsung's very latest range of foldable phones. The Flip is kind of designed to be more fashion forward, and also we've seen a really massive price drop. So I'll tell you all about it in this first look. So let's have a look inside the Z Folds. Here we go. Take out the box. This nice 6.7-inch screen, so that stays the same as the previous model. Let's sort of get rid of some plastic. So this one is, it's got a nice two-tone color, a new design, which I guess this is sort of more the cream color with the black. I think it's nice the way it accentuates the camera sort of area, kind of gives it a bit of an interesting look. Then of course you can fold it in half, like so. As expected, there is no charger inside. What we do have here is the charging cable, so this is USB-C charging cable. That's pretty much what you get. No headphones, no charging plug. So you'll need to use an older Samsung one and make sure that you have the right one with the right wattage to get a fast charge, which can be a bit frustrating because if you use something like, say, a 5-watt charger instead of a 20 or so watt charger, it'll take more time to charge the device. There we go. We'll attempt to switch it on and get everything set up. So with the Galaxy Z3 Flip, we also have the same technology that Samsung is bringing to the Fold 3, which is that extra hard, 80% more durable on the front foldable display. So you don't have to worry as much about getting things like keys on it or having bits of grit in there scratched up when you sort of fold it together like that. In addition, the back gets the new Gorilla Glass Victa, which is again 20% harder than the previous Gorilla Glass 6, and that will protect the back here, the glass that's here. So you kind of know now that when it's open, it should be protected more, and when it's closed, it should be protected more. In addition, this is now IPX8 water resistant. It still doesn't get dust resistance, but it does mean that you can drop this in water over a meter for longer than 30 minutes, and it should be fine, providing that it's not salt water or other types of liquids. Look, but otherwise, I mean, on first looks, I really love the compactness of this. It definitely feels more rigid. It's using that new aluminum that's, again, 10% harder than before. The hinge feels great, very nicely machined and engineered. It really has a great sort of fold as such. The screen also on the inside, the main screen, the 6.7-inch one, gets an increase in brightness by 29%. So you can kind of now really get that maximum brightness. I can sort of crank this up here and you can really see, you know, how much brighter, if I don't get the lights in the way, it is. But yeah, it's I think brightness really does just improve how it is outside, how it is to operate. Otherwise, there's also all kinds of great little accessories like cases and loops, straps to make your folds experience more durable or more stylish depending on how you want to go. So lots of choices there. But I think the main thing with this one is that it gets a lot more color choices. So the colors are actually, looking at it, we see cream, green, lavender, phantom black. The other big thing about this phone is that in Australia, it drops by $700, which is pretty amazing. So the total price currently that it's going to be sold for, it will be $14.99, which again, dropping $700 is an amazing sort of drop, and it's amazing effort by Samsung to say, we really want you to use this phone. And it's not necessarily priced up close to the $2,000 mark like a real premium phone. So I think that's really significant, is that they're dropping it down to this sort of price point. The other big thing that we see with this phone is that the outer screen, so this screen here, see if I can get that to turn back on. Right now we've just got sort of the time and things on there, but there's more space for messaging, notifications, and that type of thing. So yeah, 4 times bigger than before. Also, we see some improvements to the wide and ultra wide cameras here, just getting slightly better. The front camera, the selfie camera, is now 10 megapixels, whereas we're seeing some other sort of increases with wide and ultra wide. Yeah, so that's it. That's your a very quick tour and unboxing of the latest Samsung Galaxy Z 3rd generation devices. Really impressed with the durability, the waterproofness. I think that really says a lot in terms of day-to-day use and sort of making you feel more comfortable that your hard-earned dollars are going to be spent on a device that will last. So yeah, very impressed. Looks great, nice new colors. We'll do some full reviews on gadgetguide.com.au and have a really good thorough look at them and use them for some time and give you our real thoughts about it, but just wanted you guys to have a quick take.